Morning, magandang pangalan mo si
Marlene.
Marlene Santos. Okay, start to recite about the drinks we purchase in drinks in Arabic. What is the Arabic of drinks?
Mashruba.
Coffee,
Ala, wala ko na ano.
Stop.
kahwa. Okay, coffee is
Kawa.
kahwa. Tea,
Habe. Ah? Shanay.
ha?
Shanay.
Ano shani? Yan yung shani? Shahi. Coffee,
Shay.
tea, shahi, milk,
Shay. Shayne.
milk,
Milk. Halib.
yogurt,
Laban.
strawberry juice,
Asir. Parawala.
apple juice,
Asir. Tupaha.
orange juice,
Asir Portugal.
pineapple juice,
Asir Ananas.
lemon juice,
Asir Limon.
mango juice,
Asir Mangga.
pomegranate juice,
Asir Roman.
fruit cocktail juice,
Asir Musyakal.
season juice,
Asir Pawaki.
guava juice,
Asir Jawapa.
the water,
Water.
moya.
Moya.
The water is a moya. Okay, thank you. Alf Mabruk. Bye-bye.